How long should you stay in the company?
5 years? 1 year? 6 months?
Real talk, staying too long in the wrong job can hurt your career more than leaving early. And guess what? 71% on Reddit said they wish they left sooner.
Ang dami sa atin nagtiis for so many years, out of fear. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ka loyal, natatakot ka lang mag-start ulit.
That was me too, until I realized I was stuck. Here's the truth about staying too long in one company. Pro: stability, familiarity, and comfort. Cons: less growth, outdated skills, promotion, rare. And company noticed this. Sa LinkedIn nga, many recruiters prefer those movers who show growth, not just years. So how long should you stay? Stay until you're learning and growing. Leave when you're surviving. Years don't define loyalty. Impact does. 1 year of growth beats 5 years of burnout. At Orbital Services, we help people find not just work, but the right fit for their next level. If you're ready to stop settling, you know where to find us.